Hi everyone, it's Sue, and welcome to Fine Art Friday, and this is the third of my weekly April challenges. So every Friday in April, I have posted an open collaboration challenge. Whether or not you're artistic or you do DIYs, whatever it is you do, but you have to do it with the theme of the week. Now these have been a little bit more challenging as they are abstract themes. Week 1 was faith. Week 2 was love. Today's challenge, week 3, is strength, and the last week is courage. Pretty tricky. And I think I scared off quite a few people with this tricky challenge. But I have had a few brave souls that have participated, so I will shout them out during this video. But if you would like to see my contribution to this week's theme of strength, let's get started. So please check out the description box below so that you can join the remaining challenges for April. And a shout out to Designers Loft, who did participate in the Love Challenge. So please go over there and check out her beautiful painting. So I decided to embody the theme of strength by using my watercolor pencils to create an impressionistic portrait of a lion. However, I think that I needed all the strength that I could muster to finish this project, as the colored pencils were really not doing it for me. I think that watercolor pencils work really well for details such as the eyes and the nose, and I got a really cool effect with those, really lifelike. But I just wasn't getting the texture in the fur that I was wanting and the depth of the color. Now mind you, I do have just Artist Loft brand. They're not expensive brands, so maybe that was part of it. But halfway through, I decided to switch over and use my Gouache watercolor, and that added the depth of color that I really wanted. However, I still couldn't get some of the fur details, so I decided to go full on mixed media, and I used my gel pen and a black Sharpie just to add in a little bit of interest. So hopefully you enjoy my portrait of a lion, and this is my contribution to the theme of strength.